What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Volks TV. Got a special episode today. We had the JuneBug Rally a couple weeks ago. I didn't get to go because it was my daughter's birthday. Isn't she adorable? So I had to find a way to get it to you guys, the JuneBug experience, and that's just what we got today. I sent a camera out with my pal, Mr. Superbeard, Mr. Taco Aficionado, our old pal Mitch, and he got, his eye view of the race for us from the start. A bunch of stuff in the middle, driving around town, and then pulling up at Top Notch, and then the group at the party at the end. We've shown you guys this rally 100 times. You know all about it, but you don't really know what it is to run the rally and what it is to be in the middle of it. So this hopefully will show you. We tried doing it in the Jetta last year, but it's just not the same when you got air conditioning and a cooler full of drinks. It's not the same. So now we're going to send you out with Mitch on a 105-degree day in Mallory, and they're going to run through town and they're going to show you what the horrors of the JuneBug Rally. Seriously though, they had some good times, and I'll throw some pictures of the rally up at the end so you guys can see how much fun everybody had. But for now, let's just go check out Mitch running the rally.
Volkswagen Beetle from Austin, Brad and Sarah Dorn. From Harker Heights, the one, the only, in the 74 Beetle, Roger Mariel Moore. From Round Rock, Texas, in the 67 bus, Tony Potts. Taylor, Texas, own Rodney Gusterman, in the 66 Beetle.
Go. Just run around the corner. Right up there. Oh, now I think I figured out how to work this damn camera. 47th on the right, Herd. Turning right. Look at those cheaters. Cutting in line. Oh, am I? Oh, there's a bike lane. That's alright. Oops. That might have been illegal. Only slightly. We're sitting at Congress in 7th. I don't know how good we're doing. My co-pilot's got everything under control. He's doing a great job, and we haven't gotten pulled over yet. Knock on something wood. But everything's going well. We haven't really seen a Volkswagen in a few miles, but everything's awesome. It's a great day. Hearing all of the really loud Volkswagens. We're having an awesome time. Where's the cheapest beer you can find in your lifestyle? I got it. Cheapest beer.
it is.
Of course it's Lone Star. Nice, thank you.
Thank you very much.
We're officially beat. We're calling it. I'm tapping out. It's been a good ride, but I'm ready for that cold adult beverage and that tasty, tasty burger. I'm done. My car's beat. It's not quite hitting quite right on the motor, but it's okay. It was fun. So, gonna meet up with everybody. It's been good. Anything you want to say?
Oh, it's been fun.
It's been good. So we're headed to Top Notch. Can't wait to see everybody.
Wow, man, that always looks like a good time, and it always is a good time. We're so fortunate we have so many great people in the area. They come from all over Texas, but it's just a really good scene down here. Everybody comes together, we have a blast, everybody kind of helps each other out, and we get together and we have these awesome parties at Top Notch. It's just great. Even though it's 105 degrees outside, everybody shows up. So congratulations to everybody that won. We'll post some pictures of all that stuff, here in a minute. And big thanks to Matt and Gary and Tommy and Martin and Jake and everybody who makes that event, so great and so much fun every year. They put together a really nice event every year. So if you ever have the chance to come down here Father's Day weekend, definitely put that thing on your list. That's a great time. And then thanks to Mitch for taking that camera out for me. It was nice to to still kind of get to participate a little bit, even though I didn't get to go. That was great, seeing bike lane driving and running red lights. Shh, don't tell anybody. It's a closed course for special racing purposes. It's filming and such. And it just looked like a good time. So that's gonna be it for this week. Check out all our links down below. Visit all our friends. Get you a new t-shirt. The new ones are still kind of in the works, but they're close. We're almost done. We almost got some new ones coming, so keep an eye out for that. Hit that subscribe button. We really appreciate the subscriptions, and hit me in the comments. Tell me where you're watching from. That's fantastic. I still love that. I get a kick out of it every time. People from all over the world. You guys are everywhere. And we really appreciate you guys watching. So that's great. And Thanks for watching.